over there, is there? Well, that's what happens when you get... That's what happens. You get into mischief. You're naughty, aren't you? Hey? What? What? Well, it's over there, isn't it? Hmm? No. What's over there on the dressing table? Is it... It's not cold out there at all. It's not cold out there. What's over there? Is there a parrot over there, is there? Is there a toy parrot over there and you don't like the toy parrot? You don't like the toy parrot? What? So you don't like the toy parrot? You don't like the toy parrot? You don't? Why don't you like the toy parrot? Hmm? What? What's what? What's what? What? What's under there? I don't know. What's over there? No. What are you doing? Hmm? I don't want to do. What are you doing, Eric? What are you doing on the bed, mate?